Good evening. A few days back, we have discussed regarding latest World Heritage sites, especially when it comes to India, Ramappa Temple. Immediately after that, Dholavira have been listed in World Heritage sites by UNESCO. And in this session, we are going to look at what is this UNESCO, when it was established, and what are the functions of this. After that, we'll also check, what type of World Heritage sites are there, and what is the number as of today. What is the total number in the world, and what is the total number in India, and which country has got more number of World Heritage sites. All these things we are going to understand in this particular class, right? So now I would like to open the document and show you the document. Here it is, right? So if you look at very closely and clearly, the first point, UNESCO. We all know what is UNESCO, but still let me tell you, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Remember, Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. So what exactly is the function of this? If you look at this one, it seeks to build peace through international cooperation in education, the sciences and the culture. Clear? Look at this. UNESCO's programs contribute to the achievement of the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. Clear? So during our regular sessions, we have already discussed what is the meaning of SDG. Earlier it was called MDGs, Millennium Development Goals. Now it is called Sustainable Development Goals, and it was defined in Agenda 2030. It was adopted by UN General Assembly in the year 2015. Meaning SDGs were adopted in the year 2015 and the targeted year is 2030. Please remember. Another fact, UNESCO was established on November 16th, 1945. Remember this one. Anything may be a question in the examination. Headquarters is located in Paris. Originally it was established in London. Later it has been shifted permanently to the headquarters is there in Paris. Right? Look at this. The World Heritage List comprises 1154 properties. Very important one. As of today, so the number of World Heritage sites are 1154, including the latest updates. Right? Properties of outstanding universal value. Natural sites represent about 23% in the list, including 39 mixed sites and 218 natural sites. Clear? And another important point, the World Heritage Day 2021 theme. This is also another possible question that is asked in the examination. Clear? The theme is complex past and diverse futures. Very, very important one. And who decides about the themes? The theme is decided by International Council on Monuments and Sites every year. And it wants people from various religious backgrounds to set aside their differences and come forward and spread the message of solidarity. Important one, very important one. Every point that you are looking at on the screen is important for the examination. And if you look at India, in India, the first sites to be inscripted were Ajanta Caves, Ellora Caves, Agra Fort, and Taj Mahal. Clear? We have discussed this point earlier, and all these were inscribed in 1983 session of World Heritage Committee. And the latest is Dholavira. Am I clear? And as of July 2021, 19 out of 36 states and UTs, these are the home to the World Heritage Sites. If you look at India, in 19 states you got these 19 states and UTs, you got these World Heritage Sites. And another possible question, within India, which state has got highest number of World Heritage Sites? Maharashtra. How many? 6. Very, very, very important one. And as of now, this point also we have discussed. Currently in India, there are 40 World Heritage Sites. Very, very, very important one, right? And Maharashtra is important. And number of World Heritage Sites in India, that is also important. Dholavira, the latest one, that is also very, 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 very important. Is that okay? Look at this. In India, we have 40 World Heritage Sites. Out of this 40, as of August 2021, out of this 40, 32 are cultural, 7 are natural, and 1 is mixed. Mixed means mixture of both cultural and natural criteria. And as far as the selection criteria is concerned, India has the 6th largest number of sites in the world. Another very important point, our position is 6th in the ranking. And in the first place you got Italy and China. Both the countries, they got highest number of World Heritage Sites in the world. And in Italy and in China, each country has got 55 World Heritage Sites. Very, 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 very important. Fine. So these are the points that are related to UNESCO and World Heritage Sites. And what is the number as of now in the world? What is the number as of now in India? And which are the latest ones? Within India, which state has got more number of World Heritage Sites? And in the world, which countries have got the highest number of sites, World Heritage Sites? Please remember Italy and China, right? So these two are at the number 1 position. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class.